In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs for audiobooks. We'll walk through creating a new audiobook project and tuning it so your narration sounds polished and professional. First, open ElevenLabs and land on the home page. On the left sidebar, look for the Pins section. That's where the most used tools live. Click Audiobooks to open the dedicated workspace, then select Create New Book to start a fresh project. Think of this as your project hub, where you'll set up voices, paste your text, and generate clean audio. At the top of the editor, you'll find playback controls. Use Play to preview any section you generate, and scrub the timeline to quickly check transitions. If the output is too loud or too soft, adjust the volume slider so it sits comfortably below clipping. For smoother openings and endings, set gentle fade in and fade out times. Even a short half-second fade can remove clicks and make chapter breaks feel intentional. Next, choose the type that best matches your content. This helps the system tailor pacing and emphasis for things like narration versus dialogue-heavy text. Then pick a model. Models can differ in realism, speed, and cost, so choose the one that fits your deadline and quality needs. After that, choose a voice. Audition a few samples and aim for a tone that suits your genre: warm and steady for nonfiction, more expressive for novels. As you work, keep an eye on generation history. It stores previous renders so you can compare takes and revert without losing progress. If you need help tidying text or improving delivery, open the AI Tools panel to access helpers designed for editing and consistency. When you're ready, click into the text field labeled Start Typing Here or Paste and insert your manuscript or chapter. Clean formatting helps. Remove stray line breaks, add scene markers, and include pronunciation notes in brackets only where needed. Finally, generate, then use Play to review. When everything sounds right, choose Publish to share your audiobook from within the platform.